Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Waves, where we explore the coolest trends in tech, business, and innovation. Today, we are diving into something that's set to transform not just Bangalore but the entire state of Karnataka. Introducing Queen City. Queen City stands for knowledge, well being, and innovation. Picture a smart city spread across a whopping 5,800 acres. Yeah, that's huge. This city will be the go-to destination for cutting-edge research, world-class healthcare, advanced manufacturing, and so much more. Excited yet? Strategically located between Dabaspet and Doddaballapur, it's just a 45-minute drive from Bengaluru's International Airport. Plus, it's connected to major highways and even a dedicated express rail route. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Queen City is expected to attract investments of up to 40,000 crore rupees and create around 80,000 jobs. That's a huge boost for the economy. But what makes Queen City so special? It's built on four main pillars: knowledge, health, innovation, and research. Imagine a hub for top national and international educational institutions. Queen City aims to attract the best talent globally thanks to partnerships with over 500 foreign universities. This will truly put Karnataka on the map as a global education leader. The city will host a life sciences park aspiring to be Asia's leading hub for medical research and healthcare innovation. Think of advancements in novel therapies and top-tier hospitals all in one place. It's going to be a game changer for healthcare. Here's where things get futuristic. Queen City will focus on high-tech sectors like AI, advanced manufacturing, space tech, and future mobility. If you're into tech and startups, this is where the magic happens. Queen City's research district will support cutting-edge pharmaceutical and scientific research. Expect to see clinical trials, research labs, and breakthroughs that could change the world. This mega project is not just about growth, it's about sustainable living too. Queen City will feature a massive solar farm, advanced rainwater harvesting, and eco-friendly transportation. It's a green, smart city designed to accommodate 500,000 residents. Queen City will redefine what it means to live, work, and innovate in a modern metropolis. And with the support of industry leaders like Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw and Dr. Devi Shetty, this city is set to be a powerhouse of innovation. So, there you have it, a quick dive into Queen City, Karnataka's bold vision for the future. What do you think? Could this be the Silicon Valley of India 2.0? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Digital Waves for more exciting content on the latest in tech, business, and beyond.